Dear students, let's have a preliminary discussion on GST, its technicalities and implications. GST has been introduced in India on 1st July 2017, and thereafter GST has come across, has traveled a long way in this country. And before going into details of GST, let's say 2-3 things, a little bit about what is tax. All of you know what is tax, the compulsory contribution, compulsory imposition of the citizens by the government. And there may be two types of tax, direct tax and indirect tax. You know what is direct tax? When direct tax is that tax where incidence and impact on the same person and a burden cannot be shifted. And indirect tax is the tax on which incident and impact are on two different persons. One person pays the tax initially to the government and another person shares the burden. So, and indirect taxes already before GST, it was levied in India from central government, service tax, central sales tax, excise duty, security, etc. Transaction. And from the state side, the indirect taxes were VAT, sales tax, octroi, state excise, property tax, entity tax, agriculture tax, etc. In the language of Modi, goods and services tax is known as good and simple tax. We shall prove whether GST is good and simple or not. GST was first introduced during 2017-8 budget session. On 17th of December 2014, the current Union Cabinet Ministry approved the approval of introduction of GST Constitutional Amendment Bill. On 19th of December 2014, the bill was presented in the GST on GST in Lok Sabha. GST's consumption-based tax is also known as destination-based tax. The main thing in GST is input tax tariff, that is known as ITC. The end user has to bear this tax, and GST is like the last point retail tax. So we know what is GST. Now, if we claim that GST lowers final cost, we have to prove it. In the next video, we shall prove whether GST lowers the final cost. Thank you very much. We shall be coming to you with a different video very soon.